haven't been working in here in about a month, so I just want to sort everything out so that I can start working today. I don't have orders right now, but I do have work that I wanted to do, like samples, try out a few things, and now that I have the time on my hands to do that, that's what I plan to do. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning part. I want to start off with this shelf because it's dear makar. So I want to sort this out first. And then we have this little corner that is overwhelming me right now because I don't know where to put all these things. They could go in the cupboards, but I feel like if I put them in the cupboards now, they won't come out of those cupboards. So I want to find a home for every little thing that's on this corner so that it's a permanent place for it and it makes sense, you know. And then otherwise, this is what we're working with. Messy, right? But yeah, little bakanga sawar. I can feel my energy levels going down, so I'm just gonna have my iron meds. Finally done cleaning this room, and this is what we have now. I finally feel like it's ready for me to start working again. My partner's desk is also done.